Goeiedag, dit is Fries Rieder here and welcome back on this not so beautiful early spring day. Today I'm going to be replacing the starter relay on my K-Bike. So you might wonder, why would you even want to replace the starter relay? Well, the K-Bikes are sort of notorious for the starter relays to weld themselves together, and once they've stuck, it's quite easy to unstick them. So I took the liberty to take off the saddle and the tank protection in advance, off camera. So starter relay is located underneath the tank in this little box here. If your starter relay sticks, you can whack it and then it comes loose again. So how do you tell if your starter relay has welded itself together? Well, that's really easy. Put the bike on the ignition, push on the starter button, then the starter motor starts churning, but it will not stop again. So even if the bike has started, the starter motor will keep on turning, and it will keep on turning. Even if you put the bike back off the ignition, it will still continue churning around. So the only way that you can stop it from turning over is actually getting rid of all these parts and disconnecting the battery, or give this a quick and sharp whack, and then the contacts come loose again. So I don't know if you know what a relay is. So the quick and short version of it is, it's just an electrically actuated switch. So normally with a switch, I'm trying to take apart it's coming apart. So as I was saying, it's an electrically actuated switch. So in the normal situation, you are the person pushing the switch and a current starts running. But in a relay, I don't know if you can see this very well, these are the two ports. No, it's actually, I'm just going to take a look now. Yeah, this is the thing. So I don't know if you can see it, but over here is a coil, and over here is the contacts. So when I push the starter button, a current starts running. The coil here gets energized, and an energized coil means that a magnetic field is made, causing this contact to close. Now when this contact is closed, a current starts running between these 2 points, and your starter motor starts running, which eventually starts the bike. Now if the starter relay has welded itself together, the chances of it welding itself together again become a lot higher. But a sticking starter relay usually has an underlying condition. Most commonly the battery is on its way out. Now in my particular case, I had some other weird electrical issues as well. So here's the big tip: if you own a K-Bike and you've got weird, like really unexplained electrical problems, like nothing from the handlebars works, take out the ECU, take out the battery, and then underneath, over here, you can't see it, but underneath that is the starter motor. Starter motor has a brush in it through which all the current runs. So in my particular case, that brush was has a plastic insulator, and the insulator was broken. So I actually had to replace the brush, and then everything worked fine again. So if you own a K-Bike and you've got weird electrical issues, I really recommend taking a look in the starter motor. And yes, that bolt did just fall down the box. Hooray! And the second one falls down as well. Now replacing the starter relay itself is really easy. It's just 4 bolts and a plug, and then it's all good again. I've got my new starter relay here. Just gonna bolt it on its place. So fitting the starter relay is really just the opposite of what we did before. So don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I've almost fitted the new starter relay already. So as I said, the procedure is really easy. It's just a couple of bolts in the plug. You just need to know where to find it and what the symptoms are. Okay, so one more bolt. As you can probably hear in the background, it's starting to rain now, so I'm just going to put a little bit of haste behind it. Oh fuck. New starter relay is fixed. It's fitted now. So just gonna put everything back together. Gonna put the seat back on. And now hopefully I won't have any starter relay issues ever again. That's it. I'm going to put the seat back on. It's starting to rain now, so I'm gonna have to be quick. Thanks all for watching. So let me know if you do like these MotoTech videos, and if you do, I'll do more in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching, and once again.